You've probably seen the viral iPhone photo editing trend from TikTok, but with so many steps, it can be hard to follow what all you need to do. I'm Jessica from techboomers.com, and in this video, I'll be showing you how to do the photo editing trend TikTok can't get enough of. Now let's get started. To begin, pick out a photo from your iPhone's camera roll. Open the image and tap Edit in the top right corner. Now tap through each of the editing tools and apply them as follows. The first two steps are optional and used for a dramatic reveal at the end, so optionally set your exposure and brilliance both to 100. Drag the line at the bottom all the way to the right until the number above says 100. Next, set highlights to -35. Set shadows to -28. Set contrast to -30. And set brightness to -15. Set black point to 10. Saturation should also be set to 10. Set Vibrance to 8. Then set Warmth to 10. Tint to 39. Increase Sharpness to 14. Definition to 10. Noise Reduction to 10. And Vignette to 23. For the last step, go back and put your exposure and brilliance both back to 0. Tap your image to see a before and after of your edit. Then tap Done in the bottom right corner to save your changes. A list of all steps and numbers for each will be listed in the description box below for reference. That's all it takes to do the viral iPhone photo editing hack from TikTok. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, we'd love it if you'd hit the thumbs up button below and subscribe to our channel. We put out great new tech tutorials like this one every week.